In this video, let's focus on your LinkedIn feed. These are the updates from the people you follow.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And of course, you can follow people, but you can also update your feed, start a post, and you can add a hashtag, like whatever your hashtag might be. Hello, I am promoting XYZ, and put some link there. You get it. I'm going to discard this, of course. Why is this important? Because on your personal profile, these show up. You see, when I scroll just after the about area, that's the activity. These are my actual posts, things that I liked and things that I shared. Things that I shared are things that I actually posted, just like you saw a second ago. So everything you do, your visitors, they will see. So this is not something that's hidden from the people who just are browsing your profile. This is something that people can publicly see. I don't even have to be logged in to LinkedIn to see it. So be careful what you like and what you post. I'm sure you've seen many times online today, somebody gets in trouble for something they liked a long time ago, and it was maybe political or something else, or in some way controversial, and then it hurt their career. So this is one way that you can be careful of that and make sure that everything you like and share, this is LinkedIn. It's for professional activity only, unless your profession is in politics or religion or any controversial topic, then sure. But if you're just a simple business owner in a non-controversial field, all your activity has to be on professional business topics, not anything that can send some wrong message to anybody. But also, every once in a while, it's okay to post your content, your links, your articles, your products, anything that you create that actually does make you look good. Then, of course, that's a perfect place to post here because one, you can get engagement on it, and two, it just reinforces your personal brand as a professional.